Hello, welcome back to the Software Ideas Modeler channel. Today, I'll show you how to generate change scripts for your ERD diagrams. We'll be working with a simple diagram that includes a single entity called address, which provides a structured view of an address. First, let's generate a SQL script for this entity. Open the Generate sidebar by clicking the gear icon. Choose Language SQL DDL and select the template SQL DDL-MS SQL Server, or any other SQL variant you prefer. Click the Generate button, and voila, you have your script. But what if we need to generate a change script? First, we need to activate change tracking. Go to the Review tab in the ribbon and click on the Track Changes button in the Change Tracking group. Now, let's add a new attribute to our address entity. We'll call it Address Type and set its type to int. Next, let's add another entity. Drag the Entity tool from the toolbox onto the Diagram Editor canvas and name it Address Type. Add attributes ID of type int with the plus prefix to make it a primary key, and name of type nvarchar35. Next, we need to establish a relationship between these entities. Select the 1-to-n relationship tool in the toolbox and connect the address type attribute in the address entity with the ID attribute in the address type entity. Now, navigate back to the Generate sidebar, choose SQL DDL Changes from the Template dropdown, and click the Generate button. You'll see a script that includes only the changes we've made. When you're ready to create another batch of changes, click Accept All Changes in the Change Tracking group in the Review ribbon tab. This will clear the current changes and allow you to track new modifications. Let's give it a try. Add a description attribute of type nvarchar max and click the Generate button in the sidebar. You'll notice that it only generates the script for adding this single column. You can also save the scripts to files. Switch to the Process ribbon tab and click on the Source Code button in the Generation group. This dialog allows you to choose which diagrams and entities you want to export to the SQL script and specify the output directory for the generated files. And that's it. You now know how to generate and manage change scripts for your ERD diagrams in Software Ideas Modeler. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.